Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the new friend quest from Annie. And this quest is special for the upcoming event, the Call of Wheels event. And then this quest is for the preparations phase. And okay, first let's just meet Annie at the central square. And then you will see the cute cutscene like this. Like this. In here you will see the Rory as new friends. And then after that just talk to Annie. Like this. And then just tap on new friends. And after that just talk to Rory. Tap on the new friends. Like this. And then after that you will get the new quest, the Whale Canyon quest. And to complete this quest, I will make it another video. So just don't forget to watch the next video. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.